Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Engineering Education. In this video, we will discuss about ABC analysis and we will solve it using a graph, which we can say as a graphical method also. Here is the question. The details of materials stocked in a company are given below with the unit cost and the annual consumption in rupees. Classify the materials in A, B and C class. Here we have 10 atom numbers are 5012 to 510, that is 510, and their annual consumption for each atom and the unit price in the paise, which is of 10, 50, 10, 5, 5, 10, 5, 5, 5, 15 and 10. Here we want to calculate and we have to classify this material into A, B, C class. Here whenever we want to classify, we want to find out first what is the annual usage of that particular material, that we want to find out. The annual usage can be find out by using D is equal to B into C. So this is all about the annual usage and it is in a paise and we want to calculate into rupees. So ultimately it will be 3000. Just you have to multiply it, but it is in a paise, we want to convert into the rupees. It will be 3000. Then again when you multiply it, D is equal to B into C, convert this into rupees. It will be 42000, it will be 300, it will be 5500, it will be 200, then 22,000, then it will be 750, this will be in 4,000, this will be 9,000, and the last it will be 800. Now using this annual usage values, we have to rank them from 1 to 10. So here the first rank will be the maximum value, we will give the first rank. This is first rank. Here will be our second rank. Then the minimum value is 9,000, it will be third rank. Then 5,500, it will be fourth rank. Then 4,000, it will be 5 rank. 300, it will be 6th rank. Then after 300 we have 800, it will 3000, we have 800, it will be 7th rank. 8th rank will be 850, this will be 9th rank, and this will be 10th rank. So whenever we will give with some atom their annual consumption, a unit and the price, whatever it is here in the paise, we convert it into the rupees. And then after annual usage values, that is multiplication of consumption multiplied by with the paise or rupees, we will have to give them the rank from first to 10. As here are 10 atoms, there will be rank from first to 10. In the next step, list the atoms in their descending order of annual consumption value and find the cumulative value of annual consumption value and find the percentage of cumulative value with respect to the total inventory value, and we have to draw it for 70, 90 and 100%. So in a previous table we calculated the annual consumption value, that is annual usage in terms of rupees. So and here I had arranged it into the descending order, that is from first rank to the 10th rank. There were maximum value 42,000 and the minimum is 200. Now we want to calculate the cumulative annual usage. The cumulative annual usage is nothing but first value is 4200. Just add this with this 4200 plus 22,000, it will be 64,000. 64,000 plus 9,000, it will be 73,000. 73,000 plus 5,500, it will be 78,500 plus 4,000, it will be 82,500. 82,500 plus 3,000, it will be 85,500. 85,500 plus 800, it will be 86,300. Then 86,300 plus 750, it will be 87,050. 87,050 plus 300, it will be 87,350 plus 200, it will be 87,550. After this annual consumption, cumulative annual usage, we want to calculate cumulative annual usage in a percentage. So total is 87, maximum our annual consumption will be 80,550. Just we have to make it percentage, that is 42,000 divided by 87,550, which it will be 48%. 64,000 divided by 80,550, it will be 73. Parallelly we have to do, that means cumulative annual usage divided by total, that is maximum annual usage. 73,000 divided by 87,550, it will be 83%. Again it will be 90%, 94%, it will be 98%, this will be 98.6%, it will be 99.4%, 99.6%, and the last it will be 100%. That means 87,550. If this is the maximum, then what will be this value? In this way also we can calculate the cumulative annual usage percentage. Now percentage of atom, if it is 100%, so percentage of atom, there are 10 atoms, each atom equally we can divide. This will be 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%, 90%, and 100%. Now with the help of this percentage of atom, there are 10 atom, equally it will be 10% for each atom. Now we have to give the category. So here first 20%, it will be our A category. The next 30 to 60, it will be our B category, and 70 to 100, it will be C category. Okay, now we have to draw a graph using these values. Whenever we want to draw a graph, the graph of percentage of atoms versus cumulative usage, that is cumulative annual usage. Okay, first is 48% cumulative annual usage, and the atom which is of a 10%, so it will be 48 somewhere. For this it will be here. Next is 20%, 73%, so 73%, it will be somewhere here. Okay, next 30%, which is of 83, somewhere here between 80 and 90. Then for 40%, it will be 90, so exactly it will be 90. For 50%, it is 94, so somewhere here 94. Then 98, which is somewhere near to this. For this 60, for 70, it is 98.6, somewhere here. Then for 80, it will be 99.4, so when we do it, it will be somewhere here. For 90, it will be 99, and for 100, it will be 100. So just we have to draw this curve. So just it is the curve graph between these two values, that is percentage of atom and cumulative annual usage, and last it will be 100 and 100. So now we want to categorize it. So for A category, this is 70 somewhere. So just draw a line for this 20%. For next B to B, that is up to 98, up to 60. So up to 60, just draw, and the last will be up to 100. So whenever we will going to be draw for the graph, it will be somewhere here, and for B it is 98, which is closer to death, the second line. So here this is A classification, A class material. This is our B class material, and this is our C class material. So whenever we will write down the answer, this answer can be written as A category material. There were two atoms having consumption of 73%, B category material having the consumption from 83% to the 98%, and C category, which is of class having 4 atoms and consuming 2% of inventory, which is nothing but from 98.6 to the 100%. So in this way we can draw a graph and we can categorize these atoms into the A, B and C category. So which completes the problem of ABC analysis. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Excel Engineering Education.